My name is Lawal Ruth Folake, extra large, 100%. I am happy today to be a part of this Niger 60 farmland. And we have just been presented with the deed of the farm, the land, so it becomes ours. Extra large promises are actually real and true. I must say that I feel very excited to be a part of this great move. So for those who are yet to know about it, I enjoin you to come and join. I've also spoken with other people, and they have shown me that they are happy to. It's a place to farm healthy, to eat healthy, to live healthy, and make good money. So come and join us. Thank you, Extra Large Farms. Thank you, MD CEO. Long live Extra Large. Long live Nigeria. Thank you.